Alright, welcome back channel. So this is how I hooked up my fuel pump relay. Alright, so this is how I hooked up my fuel pump relay. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Really not too complicated. So let's go ahead and dive into this video and get it going. Alright, so let's get into this. Alright, so basically I got this kit from Deechworks. I think it's Deechworks. You could buy the kits on other websites, it don't matter, as long as you get the relay with the wires. Your red and black wire, of course, you want it to be a little bit longer. These are definitely long enough. You know, your red will be your power, your black will be your ground. My power is running through, let me see real quick, my power. I'm getting my power off my jumper post right here. So I have it hooked up in here. It does have a inline fuse, so there is a fuse on here that goes that way. So make sure if you guys are doing it yourself, put it in a fuse somewhere in there to pop if it needs to pop. Anyways, goes in there into the corral. Comes down in the glove box, goes around there, comes right down here on this panel. Goes from right here on the little this panel right here, comes out right here. Okay, so power, and then power goes to the relay. My ground is hooked up right there. So that's power and ground. Now moving on. So on the harness, the pump harness, you're gonna want to cut one wire and one wire only. Mine's a 0204 RSX. I'm pretty sure the 0506 RSX is the same wire, because I looked in the shop manual and it only had the one wire for what you need to do. Anyways, so let me see what I got here. Okay, so you got the harness coming this way, okay? So when I cut it in half, the wire that's coming from the harness, which is this one, the main harness, you're gonna wanna hook up the blue, okay? So blue goes to wire from harness, and then goes up into the relay, and then your yellow goes to the same wire, the blue yellow wire, but to the pump side. So that's the only wire you wanna cut, is the blue yellow. So let's repeat that. Blue yellow wire coming from harness goes to the blue, and then coming out, it goes into the relay. Coming out of the relay, you're going to go back into the same blue yellow wire, but the blue yellow wire side of the pump. That's pretty much it. It's that simple. It's the only wire you need to cut. I've been running it like this for 3-4 weeks now, almost a month probably, and I've had no issues. I will turn the key on, you'll hear the relay click, it primes, and then the car starts. So what I used were these kind of connectors right here. I didn't use the butt connectors, but like I said, I need to go back in here, and I'm gonna finish this all up. Right now it's just temporary until I get my tune finalized and I know the car is running immaculate. Then I can touch up on all this stuff and get it tucked and get this mounted somewhere. This is just temporary, but this is how you hook it up. Like I said, you only need to cut one wire, yellow blue. Okay, harness side, blue yellow wire goes into blue, going into pump is yellow into blue yellow wire into the pump. Pretty straightforward, easy. Okay, it's that easy. Power for power with the inline fuse. You need to have a fuse on your power, and ground to anywhere you want to ground on the chassis, anywhere, as long as you got bare metal, sand it down, whoop de whoop, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the key over. You'll hear this relay click, and then that's that. Hold on. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the key in. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, there's the freaking relay. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the key over, and you'll hear the pump prime too. See, heard the relay click, pump prime, and then we'll go ahead and start it. And there you go. So like I said, it works. I just got to put this on real quick so I can cover it up so that don't arc out, but pretty much that's it. Pretty simple. Really, actually really simple. Not hard to do, but that's how you do it. That's how you install a relay on a RSX Type S 02 to 04, 05 to 06. Voila, there you guys go. So yeah, pretty straightforward video, easy, simple. Wherever you choose to get your power source is where you choose to get your power source. Wherever you choose to ground it is where you choose to ground it. Pretty easy. That's it. Let me see what else. So yeah, so I didn't get the tune today, so tomorrow I'm gonna hit him up and try to get the tune done tomorrow morning. Car's running really good actually, but we're only on 10 pounds of boost, so hitting 10 pounds of boost is stupid easy. So it does boost cut protection, whatever. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow, if I can get a co-pilot to ride along with me, I'll go ahead and record the e-tune or whatever the tune, record the tune. Damn, I can't even talk today. I will go ahead and do a video tomorrow recording the tune, getting done if I can, if I get a co-pilot. If not, I gotta do everything. I gotta hold my phone while trying to drive and all that other good stuff. So we'll see if I can make it or not. But yeah, there you go. That's how you hook up a fuel pump relay on a RSX. It's easy. All right, hope you guys like it. Like, subscribe, Kale Day. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.